Love this product, is exceptional, visually appealing and meets all expectations. Very happy with this sauna so far, very relaxing. It was easy to assemble and the directions were thorough. It came in 3 large boxes and delivery was prompt. The seller was very nice and helpful in arranging the delivery. It took my husband and myself about 2.5 hours to assemble, that includes bringing the boxes into the house and up to the 2nd floor. Very happy with how it looks inside and out. Easy to operate all the functions, lights, radio, ionizer, sauna. It does take some time to warm, so we turn it on 20-30 minutes prior to using. It definitely gets you sweating. Ease to assemble. So I am in my 2nd week and enjoying the use of my new sauna. It really was relatively easy to assemble and complete in a couple of hours. You will need 2 to 3 people, at least to assemble the walls, 1 to hold upright and 2 to lift and connect each wall. You will need access all the way around when assembling, so depending on the surface to be installed on, carpet or hard, I would suggest buying furniture glides to put under the feet if you plan to locate in a corner. Also plan the location to be installed and ensure you have a 20-amp outlet available. I have been using my sauna 4 days a week, immediately following my workout, and have it located in a room next to my weight room. I turn it on just before I start exercising and it reaches 140 F within 30 to 35 minutes. The radio seems to work well with the top-mounted antenna. The interior lights could be better located for reading while in the sauna, which I will probably do myself. All in all, I think this is a great unit for the price. I had someone else assemble, but it did not take them long. It is well built and very comfortable for 2 people. Fits nicely into a corner. Gets as warm as you would want, up to 140 degrees. Highly recommend. I don't write too many reviews, however I felt I had to say a few things about this particular sauna. When I originally ordered it, it took 2.5 months, so I kept calling Amazon and we determined the order had to be cancelled even though it kept telling me it shipped. I reordered it though a different seller and my gosh, first it was $1,500. 0 cheaper total. Freight was paid, saving me $297. 0. It had a free ionizer, free radio, all charged on the previous order. I was kind of worried how I would receive this as it would be just my wife and I, and hopefully the driver and his teammate to unload it, and what kind of freight packing it would be done up with. To make a long story short, on the arrival day, it was 1 female driver, my wife and myself, however it took us about 10 minutes to get it off the truck and into the garage. I was extremely surprised. The instructions for assembly say 3 people are required. I was a little worried since now it was only myself and my wife. Keep in mind I am handicapped with cancer also. It took me 3 hours with minor help from my wife to completely construct. I had an electrician come over to install the outlet required, minor charge. But I have to tell you, I already sent a letter to the sauna company. Whoever labeled the connections, wiring, and screw holes were all spot on. Click on the link below to see price.